If you're using ZOHO CRM and tired of switching between Chrome extensions or WhatsApp web to send messages, this video will show you how you can use Gupshup's integration seamlessly with ZOHO CRM interface and gain control of WhatsApp business account directly from ZOHO. With Gupshup's integration, all communications goes through company's single WhatsApp business account. You can send personalized template messages to multiple leads and send messages in one single click, also known as bulk messaging. The integration also provides live chat with leads on WhatsApp and easy access to chat history. You can send rich messages like image, document, or video file formats. With Gupshup integration, we make sure that your data is private and secured. So what are you waiting for? Integrate the Gupshup's native integration for ZOHO CRM for your organization.